Sir, why you acting like that, sir?
Because you lied to me. I've been to court 2 months ago and then you're talking about the actual going to court. Like stupid, eh?
No, sir, you haven't been to court, sir. Hello? Hello, is this Mr. Zambuni?
Yes, Mr. Zambuni,
You missed your court date, sir. I think you should come in.
my court date, what is this?
We're calling from the New York court case.
Your court case, what the fuck? Listen to me, I've been to court for 2 months ago. You can't come and talk about the same thing again.
You did came to court on the 15th.
What is this?
This is Mr. Chambers from the court authority.
Fuck you want.
What?
Fuck you want, man. You think I'm stupid, eh?
What?
You think I'm stupid, eh? Get the fuck off me for, eh?
What's the problem, sir?
If you are in my country, I'll fuck you up. Fuck you up, eh?
I don't understand you, sir. Could you please talk properly?
If you are in my country, I'll fuck you up.
I'm in your country?
If you are in my country,
Sir, please don't raise your voice at me, sir. Please. Please don't raise your voice. All I'm saying, sir, sir, all I'm saying is, sir, all I'm saying is you need to come to the court place to sort out your license. What? Sir, why you acting like that, sir?
Because you lied to me. I've been to court 2 months ago and then you're talking about the actual going to court. Like stupid, eh?
No, sir, you haven't been to court, sir. Please don't be like that.
Please, would you please represent yourself?
Sir,
Hello?
sir,
Hello?
sir.
Don't they talk off my phone? I'll follow you, motherfucker. I'll follow you. I swear to God, I'll follow you, motherfucker.